Good morning, team. Yes, it is morning, even though it is very dark outside. I'm doing a little bit of early morning hiking. Somebody set up their alarm for like 4 in the morning, and I don't know, it woke me up, and I was like in a panic because I didn't know what was going on. But I got really anxious, so around 5, I packed up and started heading out. So it's a little bit after 6 right now. So, but tell you what, sky looks beautiful though. The goal today is to make it to Standing Bear Farm and go from there. All right, I'll see you when it's a little bit brighter outside. I've been waiting to see that ball of fire all morning because it is windy and chilly. Oh, finally. Here comes the sun. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Hey, team. I'm taking like my mid-morning snack. Super early because I started hiking a little bit after 6. And my protein bar is frozen. Ow. Oh, it is absolutely beautiful today. Such blue skies. Hopefully it'll stay like that all day. We're supposed to get some snow this weekend. I'm not quite sure. I have to check the forecast. Excuse me. I haven't had signal this past 2 days. Very sketchy. But for some reason, I'm having a really hard time breathing this morning. I don't know what's going on. Like I'm having a hard time like catching my breath. I mean, I've been in high elevation before where I was having that issue, but I don't know what the elevation profile is right now. But anywho, I'm gonna eat half of this bar so I can have the other half later. Drink a little bit of water, find a place where I can pee, which I'm like second guessing because I don't want my butt to freeze off. It's so cold right now. But you know what? AT problems, I'm telling you. Alrighty. Happy to be here though. Despite everything. Very happy. All right. See you later. Check this out. There is actually like a wall, like a retaining rock wall here. Oh, this is so pretty. I was not expecting this at all whatsoever. Look at that. And look at those mountains. Just to think that I spent the last week in the Smokies, and I forgot to tell you, I'm leaving the Smokies today. Have I not stopped at Gothenburg, I would have gotten done sooner than this, but you know what? It was totally worth it. Totally worth it. You hear that? Quiet. So nice. You know, it's funny because I was just thinking to myself, today is full of rocks, roots, and downhill. And I'm like, this is gonna suck. And then I come up to, lookouts like this. It's like the trail has a way of just kind of putting me in check whenever I have any negativity. This is why I love being here. Like, I have no time to be negative or anything. Like, I always see like the bright side of things no matter what. Oh, even on the sucky days. Look where I'm at, team. You know what this is right here? This is the end of the Smokies. Look at this. We did it! We did it! Oh yeah! So team, weather's turning. I had to put my rain gear on, got my umbrella going, and it's cold. So I think that this morning the AT said to the universe, hey, let's test Nightingale. Let's see what she's made of. Not only are we going to do roots, rocks, and downhills, which right now is a nice stretch. Oh, but there's more. Let's throw some cold rain and see how she handles this. Well, you know what? I can handle it. I can take it. Ah! Ooh, my umbrella got stuck. So, not to taunt the universe, but I got this. Are you with me, team? We got this. We can handle this. All right, see you in a bit. That up there is I-40. And I'm just crossing a bridge, trying to follow these white places, figure out where I'm going. But I think I go under it at some point. Not sure. I'll let you know. But it's about this river. I don't know which river this is. I need to look it up. All right, I'm just road walking right now. I don't like road walking. It hurts my feet. Oh, where is this hostel? Oh my God. Oh, it's gonna be okay though. Alrighty, let's keep going. Yep, I was right. I'm gonna go under I-40. Somewhere up there, I'm sure. Whew. This is more tiring than actually like being up there in the mountains. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. Hopefully I won't get hit by a car. Yay, AT. This is quite the adventure today. Oh, look at those pretty flowers. Alrighty. I'm putting this away so I can pay attention. I found the trail. And this is what the trail looks like. And once again, video not doing it any justice. Oh, that is steep. I will be holding on to that railing for dear life. Not because I'm scared, but because I need to propel myself. Alrighty, meet you at the top. Made it to the top, and I'm still climbing. You can see the stairs down there. See them? Whew. And heading up that way. Alright, almost there. Point 2. We can do this. Longest day ever. Alright. Hi team. So I am at Standing Bear Farm. I've been here since like 1 o'clock. I got here fairly early. Took a shower, did laundry by hand. And I just been relaxing and catching up on my videos. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a tour of the facilities. Very cozy, very homey. It's just very trail like area. So I'm gonna turn this around and start the tour. This is a very odd place to start, but that's the preview right there that I just used. This right here are the showers, which is amazing. The water was so hot, it was great. I'm not gonna go in there because I'm sure there's people there, but there's 2 showers and a sink. And pretty much this is the entrance to the hostel. Also have porta johns here as well. This right here is the bunkhouse. This is where I am staying the night. And there's a wood burning stove, which we're burning wood, and it's nice and cozy. Hi, Trout.
Hi, just trying to stay out of your picture.
No, that's okay. You know, it's funny because on the last video you said, we'll meet at Standing Bear, and here you are.
Standing Bear.
Here you are. And this right here is the common area to the bunkhouse. Then over there is the main house where the people live, and then here is the kitchen. I'm not going to go in there because it's absolutely packed. There's hikers everywhere. And like I said, that's the kitchen area. And this right here is where you do laundry. I actually use a washboard to do my laundry. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Little fire pit.
Oh,
I'm
fire.
taking
Oh,
video.
I feel so good. It's just blazing. Be careful.
And this area is super homey. It was raining all day, so there's lots of people here.
Oh yeah,
But yeah, this place is absolutely packed, and the weather is supposed to turn tonight. It's supposed to be super, super cold tomorrow. And we are thinking about slab packing for about 13 miles, which it would be nice, given that our start of the trail back is going to be completely uphill. And then right up here, they have the little resupply store, and it goes by the honor system, where if you take something, you write it down on a little clipboard, and then at the end of your stay, you pay for what you got. But this is what it looks like. And they have shoes, clothing, and anything that you can possibly need. All right, so this is a quick down and dirty of the facility. Like I said, it is super busy right now. They have cabins, bunkhouses, and they also have a camping area. All right, team, I will see you after dinner.